Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a swipe. So in here I have Amsterdam paint mixed 4 parts Australian Floetrol to 1.5 parts paint, no water added, just Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam paint in there. That is my swipe paint, and it is a very, very, very light pink. It actually was pink, and then I had some white left over in another swipe mix that I've mixed up, and I just mixed the two together. So it's a very, very light pink. Anyway, I'll stir that up now. Then I've got this very big swipe tool, and I've got a spoon to put the paint onto there. But let's start and put some paint on the canvas first. And any colors you want. As you know, I don't, I just put whatever colors I want to put on. So whatever colors you have, whatever colors you want, you can put down. And this one. And again, some of these are metallic. Some of my paints that I'm putting down, others are not. And what else? Some of this one. And some of this one, and I think one more will do. I think that should be good enough. Maybe I can just add a little bit of that one. Okay. Alright, so now all we do, just going to open the swipe paint up, give it a stir. With the Australian Floetrol, you do just need to stir it up before you use it, because it separates. So just give that a stir like that. That should do. Okay, now all I'm going to do, I don't know where you are. Can you see that? Yes. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back of my swipe tool, just hold it like that, and just put the paint onto it like that, and just let the excess run off back into the cup. Okay, and then we just take this and we swipe across. And keep that on the canvas like that. And then we need to wipe that off. Sorry, I'm still trying to find my way in this art room. And then we just wipe the swipe tool off. Make sure you get it pretty clean, especially if you are swiping with white or a very light color like I am. Because you don't want to get any color paint mixed into your swipe paint. Okay, and then we just keep going. And keep that on like that. And wipe the swipe tool off. Let's do the last swipe. Down the bottom here. Like that. Okay. Wow. Some beautiful lacing going on. Beautiful colors. That is what I like. So I'm just going to, let me just put this out the way. And I'm just going to take I'm just going to take a little palette knife, and I'm just going to cover the canvas with paint like this. This is all going to get tilted off now, so you won't see any of it. It just helps to tilt the painting if the edges are wet. So, right, let's go. So we're just going to start off just stretching it out. So we're just going to go sort of to there and to there and down to there and down to there, just to stretch it out. Right, let's go over and back, over that side and back, down to that corner and back, and over to that corner and back. There we go. Wow, that's very cool. Now just go around and make sure the paint has covered all your edges. It looks like mine has. Okay. Wow. I love that. I'll show it to you now. It's the coolest little thing. So let me take my gloves off and let me bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so there it is. But look at this. Look at that little thing. Isn't that adorable? So anyway, quite a bit of metallics and beautiful lacing, beautiful colors, nice and bright. See, there's quite a few of those little things. Look at that. Very pretty patterns and designs. Really, really cool. Look at the lacing going down there. Look at that. Oh, I like it. I like it. Very, very cool painting. I do love that. Very cool. Look at that. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Very quick painting today, but I think it turned out really cool. I will see you next weekend as we do some more paintings. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Your support would really mean the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And I hope you all have a great week, everyone. I will see you next weekend. Bye.